My name is Susan Apperkon. I come from Apperkon. I stay with my uncle and I am 7 years old. The name of my school is Christ History Preparatory School and I am in class 2.
Acho me awodo duru so. Susan e wo faje mi. Ehi nwa hu ka ba shi ka je bi ka bi ashi hu ka ba shi bi ane. Ni eji jomo wa ni nkele. Nkase beni asa moto sa mo ye dodo amane mi ye nwo fa mo. Ni start sa mo beni mi ya school ke je class 4. Ka kwa school ke kemba. Ka kwa school ke kemba. Ke je primary 4 ka she DSS. Ninte SS po ke aha mid term se mba wale sho. Ka she ta ni se font tu ni pa. Dani mba in shop permanently. In decide ake machon Susan beni asa moto ne ke machine bibi ne kuni wose le hu efe moko oti ye akucho ne.
I enjoy going to school every day because I want to learn more mathematics and R&B. I want to become a mechanical engineer. My parents.
They've left. All she has. Susanne, a mommy in ni eke Susanne papa ameye akuchuku mi actually Apperkon do do amane mi. Ke bale como ke ya school ke enu fe no itawo moto ne sa mo no mi ni na ska ni ko ko. Ke eye mi hu nani e mommy ke papa ke nuku fi oba ni nke hiyo ni ha le.
I want them to know that I love them. I want to be successful and make them proud wherever they are. Some of my friends laugh at me. Some too tell me to teach them, but I don't care because I'm helping my uncle to get money. And I also like fixing bike. Fourteen combination. I use it to unravel 14 bolts. Plier. I use it to cut wire or to help me unravel bolts. Files. I use it to file workpiece. Allen keys. I use it to unravel alarm bolts. Magnetic pickup. I use it to pick objects that fall into the engine. 17 combination. I use it to loose or tight 17 bolts. If something is too hard for me, my uncle will strike it for me.
Susanne, ismo sane wa. No fenoma kele ifio. Ne hie do eri jumo hi. Ni etumo ehi ake o ismo ne no fenoma na le e ba pele no. Kaji e ba school gba fami hu ake sane gbonyoko e ba han ko mi dan ake efi.
I'm a class teacher. She's a very smart girl with a very big vision and ambition. So sometimes at home, when I get to their house, I meet her with her father. We work together, and that's very nice of them.
I don't hate anybody. I know that God has blessed some people, and me and my uncle are working hard. One day, we will also have plenty money. My uncle always tells me, everybody will shine when their time comes, so I don't hate anyone.
As for life, the bodo, she or hear me feel. Minimum home, wow, feel no yummy.
One day I will open my big shop and make my own motor. Because I love motorbikes, my teacher said, what men can do, women can do too. I want my parents to come back because of me. I want everybody should travel wherever they want to with my motor. My name is Susan Apperkon, and I am my uncle's joy.